We found the man cave. Okay, so after our crazy golf session, we had a game of crazy golf, we're now looking for a geocache, which is on a side street up near a Hyperdino shop. Hopefully it'll be straightforward to find. Just have a bit of walk around. I think we found it. Yay! Yay! We found the man cave. So yeah, we're not sure who's done this geocache here, but it's actually really good fun. Right, so that's that geocache done. So now we're going just round to the dunes. There's a couple more around here to do. Hopefully they'll be straightforward.